Good afternoon, guys. We're on 4th grade grammar. This is for Monday, May 18th lesson. Our lesson is comparing with more and most. We're on pages 247, 248. Our objective is to identify and write adjectives that compare using more and most. All right, so what they're saying is you're going to put more or most in front of an adjective. All right, and we're comparing two things. You have your box again that has your written examples and your explanations. The sentence they use, inline skates are more expensive than roller skates, and skateboards are the most expensive. So it says use more with long adjectives to compare two people, places, or things. Use most with long adjectives that compare more than two. So if you're comparing two, you use more than two, you use most. All right, so we've got just 6 problems on this page, or 6 question statements on this page that we need to go through. For guided practice, fill in the circle next to the correct answer. They're giving you 2 sentences. Which one uses more or most correctly? In number 1, the correct sentence is camels are probably the most famous of all desert animals. So you're going to darken the circle for the first sentence. Number 2, the Bactrian camel has larger humps than the dromedary camel. All right, in that one, we're going to use darken the circle for the first sentence. Number 3, camels are the most useful way to carry heavy loads in the desert. You're going to darken the circle for the second sentence. In the next section, they say write the correct adjective or adverb for the word in the parentheses. And again, they have the blue word in parentheses at the end of the sentence that they want you to use. So in 4, they have camels are more skillful. So you're going to write that on your line. Camels are more skillful than horses at surviving in the desert. 5, camels drink water faster. All right, we're not going to say more fast. We're not going to say most fast. We're going to say faster. So we're changing. Remember, go back to that lesson that we had using ER and EST. And then the last one, items made from camel hair are the most plentiful in the desert. All right, so that's your lesson. So look on page 248. You've got the same 2 concepts. In the first section, you're going to darken the circle for the correct sentence that's used. The second one, you're going to use more or most. Sometimes you're going to have to go back to that ER-EST concept. And then you have your proofreading paragraph. And in the apply and speak, if you want to write a sentence, you can. That says you're going to discuss it with me. We're not going to do that, so you don't have to do that section. All right, but if you want to write a sentence, you can. There's your lesson. Again, 247 is what I just went through. Your page to complete, 247, 248. Comparing with more and most. Good luck.